A warm welcome to everyone tuning in today. In this session, we will take a closer look at Tel Protocol, a blockchain infrastructure project focused on improving how stablecoins move across different networks with greater ease and coordination. Viewers, if you enjoy learning about evolving crypto systems, you are in the right place. Before we get into the topic, this video is strictly for educational purpose only and does not represent financial advice. Always make your own informed decisions after proper research. Viewers, the blockchain space has expanded rapidly into a multi-network ecosystem. Today, activity is spread across chains like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, and BNB chain. But even with this progress, one issue remains constant: liquidity is still scattered across ecosystems. This leads to common friction points such as repetitive bridge and process, disconnected transaction paths, delayed and inefficient asset transfers. Tag Protocols aims to streamline this fragmented structure. Weber State Protocol is built as decentralized infrastructure layer designed specifically for cross-chain stablecoin movement. Instead of treating each blockchain as an isolated environment, it connects them into a unified system where value can move more fluidly. Its main goal is to reduce operational complexity and improve the efficiency of liquidity flow across multiple networks. So here we will check out its key technology components. First one is a liquidity integration layer. We've seen that protocol connects the liquidity sources from leading decentralized exchanges, including Uniswap, Curve Finance, PancakeSwap, and many more. This helps improve access to deeper liquidity and better pricing execution. And the next one is cross-network communication for interoperability between chains. It utilizes established protocols such as Layer 0, Wormhole, Circle, CCTP. These systems support secure assets transfer and communication across blockchain environments. And the next amazing feature is intelligent execution system. Viewers, rather than requiring users to manually perform multiple steps, the system works through intent-based execution. So this is an important feature, and you can check out details on the screen. It automatically identifies optimal routes and processes transactions in a more efficient and simplified way. So, you can also check out that TAD protocol interoperates permit to base a mechanism to reduce unnecessary transactional complexity. This aims the user's experience by minimizing repeated approvals and reducing dependency on native gas handling. Security performance is another amazing feature. The protocol follows a non-custodial model which ensures users retain full ownership of their assets. Funds are never stopped by the protocol. All operations are executed transparently through smart contracts. So you can also check out the detail that this is powered by different industry leaders named like Varpol, Uniswap, Curve, PancakeSwap, CCTP. Ported network are Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, Kaya, BNB Smart Chain, and Polygon. And you can also check out supported stablecoins. Verge Stable Protocol operates across major EVM-compatible ecosystems, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, BNB Chain, and Polygon. So you can also check out its amazing feature. You can find out that it's available in the form of application stablecoins number chains, and the total volume has been mentioned here. Let's check out its application. Here you can check out that the central access point where users interact with a protocol function in a unified environment is its app. An app has different features like Swap Module, a streamlined tool for executing cross-chain stablecoin exchange with reduced complexity. The next amazing feature is Stables. Viewers, a dedicated area for interacting with stablecoin liquidity across different networks. You can check out listed stables 11, network 6. Total market cap has been mentioned here on the screen for $79.21 billion US. And you can also check out all stablecoins with their price charts, market cap, 24-hour volume, and their prices have been mentioned here. You can also check out another amazing feature that is Pool System, a liquidity participation feature that enables engagement with the ecosystem pools. You can check out total TVL $1.68 billion US, volume of 24-hour 1.05 billion. Total polls are 238. You can check out the total tools here. All the details have been provided here. And the next amazing feature is Dashboard, a structured overview of users' activity, balance, and transaction history in one place. And the next one is Explorer, a transparency-focused feature that allow real-time tracking of blockchain activity. And you can also check out the technical information about the project and the platform in the document section, a complete guide for both users and developers explaining system architecture and functionality. Documents are available on the website. You can read out all the details. And here you can also check out that you can join their community channels like Telegram. So viewers, Telegram act as the primary communication space where updates, announcements, and community discussions takes place in the real time. And you can also check out the development transparency details on GitHub. Viewers, GitHub provides visibility into ongoing development, code updates, and contributions from the technical team. So here you can also check out that this platform is very important because stablecoins have become a major pillar of the digital asset ecosystem. However, transforming them smoothly across multiple chains is still not fully optimized. For this problem, TED protocol or TAD protocol is designed to address this gap by improving how liquidity routing and execution work together across networks. So this is a big problem that TAD protocol is going to solve forever. So you can also check out Project Overview CoinMarketCap. Here you can check out that TAD protocol TEDP is currently listed as a preview stage project, not gone market cap. Key details include total supply 1 billion TEDP, maximum supply 1 billion TEDP, and the self-reported circulating supply is 500 million TEDP, built on the Polygon network, early traction with around 6.88 thousand holders, and a profile score of 57% with 100% bullish score by the community sentiment. So this is going to be very impressive. So I would like to end it that TAD protocol focuses on one of the most important challenges in Web3, improving how value moves across multiple blocks and ecosystem. By combining liquidity aggregation, cross-chain connectivity, and automated execution, it aims to create a more connected and efficient digital environment. I appreciate you watching till the end. See you in the next video, where we explore another emerging innovation in the blockchain space. Take care. Goodbye.